Hello designer, welcome to Design Code. Now in this part we're designing a theme style in Figma. In the last tutorial of my wireframe designing in Figma, we are designing a theme colors and heading styles for our wireframe. Now based on these colors we are creating theme style for our use. Let's start with the theme style. Before we start, why we this creating the theme style? We are creating theme style for repeat use colors in our web design layout, like headings, borders, body colors, input colors, and other elements colors. We need to use repeat. That's why we are creating a theme style. So let's first I create color, name it heading. For the heading colors, which color we want to use, so I just go here and from the libraries I'm selecting heading color. I want 800. So this heading color will be declare value of gray 800. So whenever we want to be change the entire heading colors, it will be changed in our entire website. Now I creating again colors, base color, or you can say body color, and in this I will declare a 500. So based on this 500 color, we use this base color or body color in our body tags like normal text. Here we have this text. Now I am creating a border color. In this border color I'm going to use, oh, I think I made the mistake. We don't want this number variable. We want color variable and I name it border. For the border, I'm going to use library and add the 300 color. So this heading, body and border color are repeatable use colors in our UI. And one more thing, we can add input color like input border and everything. Input border, we can use the same as 300 colors. As we have a now no more grade gray shades, so we have to be in future add the more gray color shades to declaring different types of shades we can use in our input. Now for now I just creating a four color variables for style guide. I'm selecting this both and create a new group with selection, and I just name it style guide. This style guide will help developer to understand which color he or she want to use in CSS. And I just go here all variables and I just select this and creating new group, and here I the name theme colors. Okay, here is our theme colors and here is our style guide colors. Now I just apply this color as a sample in our design wireframe. Select this text, go to the fill in the library. I select created in this file and go here, and you can see here is the style guide we created in variable. Now apply the heading color here and you can see the heading color will be here. The main use of this style guide is when we want to be change color of this variable, it will be changed in everywhere. See, you can see the changes in live. See, so that's why we are creating a style guide in Figma. So you can create style guide as your requirement. So friends, here is my theme style tutorial. If you like my video, so please subscribe to my channel, and if you want this Figma file, it will be available in my description. You can just go and download it for yourself. Thank you.